In this video, I will show you how to unrestrict someone on OnlyFans. So if you have restricted someone on OnlyFans, but you want to unrestrict them, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we're going to open our OnlyFans, or you can go to the browser for this, and then you need to select the profile that you want to unrestrict, but you can also go to the overview where you see all of the restricted persons. So let's say I want to unrestrict this person, then I'm going to click on the profile, and then I'm going to click on the three dots at the top right. So once I do that, I'm able to click on unrestrict in here. So that is how you can do it, number one. But now I'm going to show you how you can do this from the overview where you see all of your unrestricted accounts. So let's go ahead and go over to that now. So first of all, we're going to the home tab, and then we're going to click on the profile tab at the bottom right. And from here, we're going to click on collections. From collections, we see restricted down below, and we see here one user. So let's go ahead and click on restricted, and that is the profile that I have restricted. So if I want to unrestrict this person, then I'm going to click on the three dots in here, and then I can also click on unrestrict. So if you have restricted more people, then you will find them in this overview, and then you will be able to unrestrict multiple accounts. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.